Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Honor to that, the exalted one, Arahat, the fully enlightened Buddha. My dear Dhamma friends and devotees, today you are going to listen this sermon. So today I am going to explain you what is the hatred and how to overcome the hatred. There is a main teaching in Buddhism, its name wholesome and unwholesome roots. What are wholesome? There are three parts of wholesome: greed, hatred and delusion. We call them lobha, dosa and moha. So what are unwholesome? There are three parts of unwholesome: greed, non-greed; hatred, non-hatred; and delusion, non-delusion. We call them alobha, adosa and amoha. So today I am going to explain hatred. According to you think, what is the hatred? Some people get angry. So anger is a similar word to hatred. So today I am going to explain you how to overcome our anger. Do you get angry? Yes, you get angry. Not only people, animals also get angry. Not only elders, children also get angry. So that we can understand, everyone get angry. So what is anger? Anger is a situation in the mind. It starts in our mind. How to start an anger or hatred? There are three parts of starting anger. In Buddhism, teach them Patigha Nimitta and Ayoniso Manasikara. Patigha Nimitta meaning is the reason of the anger. And Ayoniso Manasikara meaning is the thinking in wrong way about the reason. So because of them start an anger. Let's we look how to start an anger. Sometimes we get angry if something happened that you unwished. As an example, you go to bus stop to emergency journey, but the bus is so late. So how you feel that occasion? It become an anger. So you didn't hope the bus will be late, but it was late. And the second one is Ayoniso Manasikara. Unless thinking wrong way about the reason. As an example, you go a journey, but you don't bring an umbrella. Suddenly it is rain. So you have to get wet. And you will say, today is a very bad day. Think a moment, if you bought an umbrella, the rain didn't become a problem for you. Because of you have an umbrella and you can open it when it's rain. So we can understand the anger is starting according to two paths. One is the reason of the anger and other one is thinking in wrong way about the reason. Some people after get angry, they can't control their family. And when people get angry, they can't control their servers at the office. So we can understand, if we want to live in happy, we must overcome our anger. We can see three parts of anger among the people. Some people get angry and it be cool quickly. The anger does not stay much time. It like a lion drove in the water. As well as some people get angry and it stay 1 day, 2 day, 1 week or 1 month. After that it be cool. It like a lion drove in the ground. And some people get angry but the anger never be end. It like a lion drove in the rock. So it is very dangerous. We can call it as a rancor. It is very harmful. So we can understand we must overcome our anger to live in happy. So today I am going to explain you how to overcome your anger. I will say you 4 tips to overcome your anger. The first one is after you get angry, you think about the word you are talking. Sometimes one word you tell in angry, it can be a big loss for your future. So first you have to thinking about what kinds of words are you talking after get angry. The second one is after you get angry, first you act. Think about the reason. Because of what kinds of reason I got angry. Sometimes so that you can overcome your anger. And third one is after you get angry, think in opposite side. If you going to blame another one, you can think a moment in his side. If you think in opposite side, you can overcome your anger. The last one is after you get angry, if you can't control your mind, you go front of the mirror and look at your face so that you can see a very bad mood. After that, if you can't overcome the anger, start to count from 1 to 100 so that you can overcome your anger. So we can think this side. Some people after get angry, they do many kinds of things. The children who take angry, they can kill their parents also. The parents who get angry, they can kill their children also. So the angry is very dangerous situation in our mind. We can overcome the anger if we improve kindness. If we improve loving kindness, if we improve the love, we can overcome the hatred. I think if you try to overcome your anger according to this matter of your thoughts in this sermon, I think when you get angry, it will be very helpful to overcome your anger. So when you get angry, try to control your anger according to the matter of you learn in this sermon. So let's we play at the moment. Power of listening this sermon. Let's we pray all the people in the world. Be everyone good and health in the world. May the Triple Gem bless you.